everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you the second part of other Resemble with Claps. The first beat is tone, bass, tone, bass, tone, bass, clap, tone, bass. But we are going to play it half-half. The first half is tone, bass, tone, bass, tone. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second half is tone, bass, clap, tone, bass. Now let's try it twice on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's combine all the beats together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the second part of other Resemble with Claps. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.